So hi guys, welcome to Geeky Iyer. So today we are unboxing this Poco C31. So this I bought for my mom. So she has never been a smartphone user until now. So I'm trying my luck to teach her some of the tricks. And yes, this phone was bought from Flipkart for 8,000. And this has a 5000 mAh battery. It has a MediaTek Helio G35 processor. Comes with three cameras. So quickly unboxing it for you guys. So first thing out of the box is the phone itself, and then we have a small pamphlet which has this image ejector tool, and then I have that's the micro USB cable. uh, then we have the Flipkart bill. Sorry, I've kept it inside just for my reference. So the charger inside is a 10 watts charger, so it's not a fast charger guys. I think for this price range we are not expecting a fast charger. And that's the safety regulatory or the guide, so which nobody reads. And going to the mobile itself, so it's very thin and it's very lightweight for the size it is. So those are the three cameras with a flash which you can see, and it has the Poco branding, and it has a fingerprint reader as you can see, and this pattern behind gives a nice grip for the phone. So, and that's the micro USB charging port and with the speaker outlet. And the device has a front camera as well, which is a dewdrop notch, and the display is 1080p, so good display for this price range again. And it is very snappy. It's running MIUI, so I'll quickly show you that. So if you go to about phone, it's running MIUI 12.0.4, and out of the memory 32 GB, we have 12 GB which is already used, and this is a 3 GB RAM variant. So Android version is still 10, so I think MIUI is still lagging on 10, and some of the devices already on 11 or 12. So that's the device. So once again showing you guys how it is. So the front camera, as you can see, that's this front facing speaker and the camera. So that just has a microphone guys, I don't think it's a speaker. And that's again the back camera. So it looks good, look wise it's really good. And the phone, I think for 8,000, if you're buying for your mom or dad, they will be really happy. So I'll quickly show you guys a sample photo which I've taken here. So don't expect miracles, you're just paying 8,000, but still everybody at least expects a decent smartphone, have a little camera which works at least for scanning purpose. So I took a photo indoors, and the shutter lag is not there, it's really fast. And as you can see, the image has come really good. There is ample lighting on the room, but still yes, it is capturing well detailed. So thanks for watching guys.